I am here at LG to meet up with Ashley, who's going to tour me through the LG Connected Home condo. I'm going to learn about smart appliances.
LG has done this really great job of creating a connected home. And what that means to me is connectivity emotionally, but also through our products. And we have this brand new front load washer dryer pair.
But why would I want to connect it to the ThinQ app?
That's a great question. You can first and foremost remote start this laundry machine. Whether you are working from home these days or you're still going out every day, it's really nice to get a head start with worrying about your laundry first thing in the morning and then set and forget your laundry. Another amazing feature, we have an artificial intelligence direct drive motor. So if you're putting in a load of mixed clothes or even delicates, but you're really not sure that delicate cycle or specific cycle you're familiar with is the right one, you can select normal cycle on our load. The laundry machine will then detect that load and then optimize that load to use the proper wash cycle to get the perfect clean. And in addition to that, we have an easy dispense feature. You now don't even need to know how much laundry detergent to use. You can actually store up to 18 loads of laundry detergent in the machine. So once it's optimized and figured out exactly what to do, it'll actually dispense the precise amount of detergent you need. When that laundry load's done, my phone's actually gonna tell me that the laundry is complete, and it's now gonna send a notification to my dryer. I just have to simply go up to my dryer, turn it on, and it's already gonna have a pre-selected dry cycle based on what the wash cycle was.
So the only thing the washer dryer is not doing is sending your wet clothes to the dryer.
Exactly, we haven't figured that one out yet.
Are all the kitchen appliances also connected to the ThinQ app?
Yes, they are. So from things like our InstaView range to our steam dishwasher and even the new InstaView with Craft Ice fridge, you can connect them all to the ThinQ app. So if I know that I need to have chicken wings ready, let's say in about an hour's time, but I have a bunch of other things to do or I may need to go to the grocery store still, I can just remote start preheating.
On your way home?
Yes.
And how about the dishwasher?
The dishwasher is great because it just gives you the added convenience that you get a push notification to your phone that the cycle's complete. So I love that. But this fridge is the real showstopper. So it has a knock-knock feature, our InstaView door, and this just illuminates the door and door feature, which basically has your quick grab and go items. So for me, I take some juice out of there, and that prevents you from having to open the entire fridge door, which is a common way of letting cold air out. So it's just a really convenient, beautiful feature, and it looks great.
Okay, that's a really cool energy saving feature. What else does the fridge do?
The fridge actually can make the first in the industry spherical craft ice. So something that would otherwise take a lot of time and effort, this fridge can make automatically.
Does it also make cubes? What if I want a cube?
It makes regular, crushed, and spherical ice.
Okay, that's amazing.
Yes. And the ice maker is actually built into the door, so it saves valuable space inside your refrigerator for your food items. Connectivity is super important to LG, both on an emotional and an actual technological level. So that's why we've ensured that ThinQ app is applicable in all of our appliances because we use them every day.